Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can write, schedule, or publish your LinkedIn content through Claude. So first of all, you go to customize option and here you add a connector. Connector basically like your MCP servers. So we use Contentdrips MCP server. So you come on contentdrips.com and then you create your Contentdrips API and here you get API key. And once you add this MCP URL, which is mcp.contentdrips.com/mcp, it will take you to Contentdrips and it will ask for your API key. You enter your API key and then it gets entered. So it allows you to write a post, draft a post, and you can also generate graphics as well, carousels, and do so many of cool things. So let's give it a start. Like we will write a basic LinkedIn text post. So let's say I want a post about uh, write me a LinkedIn post about how to publish LinkedIn content through Claude using Contentdrips MCP. Uh, I have already added like it's in my context history what is Contentdrips MCP, so it should be able to write a post. So let's give it a start. We use Sonnet 4.6 and it will start writing a post. Amazing. So I think this post looks good. Now I will say something like uh, uh, create a draft. Maybe I can give it a one shot thing. Like I can practice say uh, post this first draft on LinkedIn for me. You can publish it right now. I can also like schedule, like maybe I can say like tomorrow at 3 p.m. post this. So it's loading the tools. It is using Contentdrips MCP to create a post first, and it will also be updated on our my content page as well. We should be able to see it here. Here you go. So it says published. That means it has published. It also gave us link. So if I click this link, it will take me to Contentdrips post. It says published, and here is our post. It looks amazing. Let's go on LinkedIn and actually see like if it's published or not. So I click on this button, it will take me to LinkedIn, and here you go. So this was all posted using Contentdrips MCP, and you can also generate a visual as well. Let's say um, I can say something like uh, duplicate, create a new post uh, with the second caption and use AI design agent to create a graphic of 1080 by 1080. Let's see like how is the process. I can maybe delete it right now. So it is created a graphic and it has also created a post as well. Now it's running AI design agent, so it can uh, create a graphic based on what was discussed. So there's a lot going on right now. It's still running, and then it will give us a link so that we can actually see like what AI has produced. We can also like change stuff as well if you want to. And if it's good, I will just give it a go ahead and it will post it along with the caption, which is the second caption I think it suggested. Yeah, so this was the first one, and this was a draft two. So it should post this and also generate a graphic for it. And great design generator, let me export it in. So it's currently exporting. Now it's entering the PNG for export, pending in progress. Yeah, I can also like see the design. Maybe I can go on Contentdrips and look at myself directly. So I'll just refresh it and should be able to see a new graphic for this post. There you go. So it designed this sort of post from Claude, published to LinkedIn. It looks amazing. Like it actually looks like a real design post. So let's see, running in progress. Post created. You're posting out. Want me to go ahead? Yeah, go ahead and publish it right. I can also see the whole post as well with the caption and with the image of it as well. So if I open this link, there's my caption, and this is the image which we generated. I maybe want to remove these uh, asterisks. So it has saved. So now I'll go ahead and publish it right now, and it should be able to post along with that image and with those captions which we generated. Your post is live. Uh, let's see if it's actually live or not. So it says published, and we click on view post, and boom, here we go. So we have our text captions and then the generated image as well through AI. So yeah, give it a try. And if you got any feedback, do let me know. And I will see you next time. Bye.